Igbo, apụọ m. Igbo, ụwa niile ekele m unu. As you can see, we're in Camden. We are here to test people on how to pronounce Igbo names and how they will be able to repeat my proverbs. The winners, they will be awarded of £3. Losers, they will also get a sweet gift bag. Please follow me. So, Edwina, the proverb goes like this, yeah? Ka nshiko si aga, ka umu ya si eso ya.
Okay, could I hear it one more time?
Okay. Ka nshiko si aga, umu ya si eso ya.
Ka nshiko si aga, ka umu ya si eso ya.
Well done. So, do you want to go for another one?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm feeling lucky.
Okay. This time.
What am I saying? I'm not cursing bad words, am I?
No.
All right, I'm saying something good, right?
Yes, it's a little forward.
Okay.
So, I will tell you to read this name here.
Mm-hmm.
The first one here. You have to spell it.
Chukwadui.
Say one more time.
Chukwudi.
Yes. Well done.
Fanny.
So, as I said earlier,
My African ancestors are good.
every win, £3. So,
Alright.
you awarded yourself £6.
£6, wow.
Please don't mind the coins.
No,
Yeah.
every nickel make a buck, my mom said. Every penny make a pound. Oh,
So,
God bless you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh,
Yes,
thank you.
yes.
All right,
Thank you.
all right. God
Yes.
bless you guys.
So I'm here with Stephen. So Stephen, could you be able to repeat this name for me here?
Do I need my specs?
Or
read it?
Yeah, that's right.
I can't read something that small.
Yes.
Which word?
So this number 1.
Chukwudi.
Nice. Do you want to go ahead with the second
Yeah,
question?
go on, let's go to the second one. Is it harder?
Okay. So can you be able to spell this second name?
Spell it? Or say it?
No, let's say number 4.
Number 4. Chinedu.
One more time.
Chinedu.
Nice one. You want to go ahead?
Go on.
Yeah?
Yeah.
If you lose, you lose the whole
Okay.
prize. So okay. Number 7.
Kelechi.
Nice. You wanna go ahead with it?
Go on then. We'll do
But
one
this
more.
one I will have to tell you like a proverb,
Okay.
and you will have to like repeat it for me. Yeah.
Okay. You're going to find the hardest one.
No.
Yeah, he's going to find the hardest one.
Okay. Let me tell you this one. Onye feze eze ruo yaka.
I can't remember all this.
Yeah. Okay. Let me make it much easier for you because it'll be difficult. So try to read this one here.
Isi kotara ebuka ebu na agaba.
No. Say it one more time.
Isi kotara ebuka ebu na agba.
Nice one. Well done. So
You can keep your £3, but
no. That's all right. That's what we do. So 3 times 4.
No way! I don't want your money. I was just doing it for fun.
No.
I was just doing it for fun. Don't worry about it.
No.
Yeah, it was just for fun. What are you going to use it for? Just for an amusement.
Are you sure? Okay,
Yeah,
but
I'm sure.
even though you're not gonna get this, let me give you sweet. Let me give you a sweet. And also with my complimentary card, you can watch the video.
Disguise.
Yes, I don't want people to know who I am. I'm just fulfilling my job.
Man of mystery.
Yes. So
You look like
Thank you, sir.
You remind me of a friend of mine who wears kind of outfits like that.
yes,
And
from
he's kind of,
from
I
where?
thought you were him actually.
So I'm here with Nike. So Nike, could you be able to let's spell this name here, the third number? Yes.
Albina.
One more time.
Albina.
Yes. Well done.
Did I lie?
Yes, but let me say it with my own Obinna. But you said it right. You know, for
Okay.
the first time you said it right. Okay, 6-1.
Namande.
No, one more time.
Namande.
Well, you know what it is? Just I forgot to tell you earlier. You know,
You changing the rules now?
no. I forgot. No, do you want it to go ahead with the other question, or were you fine with the first question?
I'm fine with the first question. Yeah.
You're fine with the first question.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all right. So you've been awarded of £3, as I said.
1 3 quid, lady.
That's it. Winning cash.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Ciao. Bye. Take care. I will go first with him. Then, if you win, then you'll be awarded. So you have even the chance to go ahead. If you feel like to go for the second round, you can go for the second round. But no, if you lose the second round, you lose everything.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm here with
Pedro, Constantine, Santiago.
Nice. So Pedro, try to spell this name for me, please. The first one. Pronounce it.
Chakbudi,
No, say it very well.
Ifeani,
No, this one here, the first one.
Chakbudi,
Say it one more time.
Chakbudi,
Chukudi.
Chakbudi.
Nice. I will give you that one for the first time. So I will go. So
The first one,
no, the second one.
the second,
Yes.
Ifeani,
Ifeanyi.
Ifeanyi.
Nice. You, the third one.
Oviana,
One more time.
Ovina, Ovina.
One more time.
Ovina.
Okay. I'll also give you that for that. So, do you want to go ahead with the game, or
I stay.
you stay? Yeah. So nice one. Thank you very much for joining us. So you can see the video once I post it on YouTube. Yeah. So that's my complimentary to your part.
Thank you.
Nice one, yeah. Bless. So, Sean, the game goes like this, yeah. Isi kotara ebu, ebu naba. No, say it again. So the proverb goes like this: Isi kotara ebu, ebu.
Easy cobra.
Isi kote ebu, obaya.
Easy cobteo cabaya.
Say it one more time.
Easy cobteo caballo.
Okay. Well done. So as we said earlier, yeah. So if you want to go for another round, or
I'm good on that one.
yeah, you go on that one, yeah.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, thank you for participating in our game, yeah.
No worries.
So,
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Look after yourself.
Yes. So I'm here with Ethan. So Ethan, the proverb goes like this: Ka inshiko siaga, ka umu ya si esoya.
Ka ishi ego aisha ego ya. What the hell?
Okay, let me repeat it one more time for you, yeah. Ka inshiko siaga, ka umu ya si esoya.
Ka ishigo asaya ego esaya. Mate, I ain't got a clue, mate.
Well done. You still smashed it. Yeah. Thank you for participating. And this box of sweets is for you.
Thank you, young
Yeah.
man. Thank you.
Thank you. You too. Bless up. Igbo ekele munu, ụwa niile ekele munu. Thank you for joining our Street Igbo quiz. Please like, share, and subscribe, and tell us where you're watching from. Upwarm.
IKE OLISA Imana bunyego inoku, IKE OLISA